Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure VidIQ for channel analytics and SEO tags. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To configure VidIQ for channel analytics and SEO tags, begin by logging into your VidIQ account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you will see an overview of your YouTube channel performance. To analyze specific videos, click on the Videos tab in the sidebar. Select a video from the list to open its detailed analytics. This section displays important data, including engagement rates and audience demographics. Next, focus on the SEO features VidIQ provides. Go to the SEO tab located in the Video Details section. Here, you can find suggestions for SEO-friendly tags based on trending keywords. Start by entering your video's primary topic in the search bar. VidIQ will generate a list of relevant tags and keywords. Select the most applicable tags to enhance your video's visibility. Ensure that you incorporate these tags into your video description as well. After finalizing your tags and description, save your changes. To track the effectiveness of your new tags, return to the analytics dashboard after a few days. Monitor the changes in views and engagement related to your updated tags. Utilizing VidIQ's insights will help you continuously refine your SEO strategy. Repeat this process regularly for each new video you upload. This ensures optimized exposure and growth for your YouTube channel. By leveraging VidIQ's tools, you're setting your channel up for ongoing success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.